Well, hello everyone. We're in the back of the truck, and this is after the build, so we're going to test the insulation. And I've got my little thermometer here, and it says it's 42.4 degrees. So, and I've got right below the camera, I've got an electric heater in here plugged in, so we're going to turn that on. And we're going to see how quickly it heats up in here. And we'll see how well this insulation actually works. I'm going to hang this right here. This is the back side. I'm now filming with my phone. And that's an electric heater I have going in here. And I just purchased a GoPro 10. So that's what we're filming with today. Alright, while we're waiting for it to heat up in here, I thought I'd see if we can make some hot chocolate. And I never fixed anything in the back of this truck before, so this will be our first time doing this in the back of the truck anyway. I do have a fire extinguisher back here if we need it. Now the soft topper, you don't have much headroom with one of these, so you can't really sit on here and work. So what I've done, I've got me a little chair to sit in right here, and I've designed a table. These little platform tables, you can get them at Lowe's or Home Depot, and it's one of these Husky tables. And I put some amount of these boards on here, and this side will go up against my bed, and then I've got some dowels, and I drilled some holes and put these dowels in here, and I can make a little table to sit in here. And we'll get that set up now. Dowels. Adjust it however I need to. Alright, it's heating up. It's 55 degrees in here now. Getting kind of warm anyway. And I've showed this to you guys before. This is actually, a lot of people use jet boil. This is cheaper and works just as well, and it's called a flame maker. Let that boil for a minute. And I do have a carbon monoxide detector in here. If you can see it, it's 61.1 degrees in here now. I'm going to turn that thing down here in just a minute. It's getting pretty warm. We're going to keep letting it go though, see how warm it does get. And that's 61. Let's do it higher, because I feel like it's hotter up here. I think that's good right there. I don't like mine just real hot, so. Let's see if I can do this without spilling it. Ooh, it smells good already. This old Bucky's cup. Let that cool off. We'll take this table down. We're gonna have to check the temperature. Probably gonna turn it off because I'm getting hot. I'm going to turn this off. It is now 82 degrees in here. So needless to say, on our next camping trip, we should stay plain warm in here, whether we have electric heat or a buddy heater. So the installation looks like it was a success. The build was a success. And I hope to go, I have to work this week. Next week I hope to go on a camping adventure and take you with me. So hopefully I have some more videos downloaded soon. So until then, cheers. And this is Lawman signing off. Nothing like hot chocolate in a cold morning.